What is recession? Monkeys trade bananas. Bananas mean business. More bananas, more trades. Monkey jungle grows, but sometimes fewer bananas. This means fewer trades. Jungle slows down. That's recession. How it works? Monkeys pick bananas, then sell bananas. Other monkeys buy bananas. More buying, more trading, the monkeys have work to do. But when monkeys stop buying, bananas sit and rot. Bananas business slows. Less trading, less picking means less building banana stands. Fewer jobs. Monkeys can't buy, monkeys can't work. More bananas left over. Jungle gets quiet. This goes on for months, not just one bad week, not just one bad month. At least 6 months. 6 months of slow, that's a recession. What causes it? Monkeys save more, spend less. No new banana huts, no fresh jungle parties, and banana prices drop. Less money for trade leads to the closure of banana businesses. Banana farms fail and monkeys lose jobs. Fewer bananas on the market creates jungle panic. Monkeys get scared and stop spending. Economy freezes. Types of recession. Demand-driven recession. Monkeys stop wanting bananas. Banana piles stack up and stores close. Supply-driven recession. Bananas are scarce and farms shut down. Too few bananas to trade, it's called a financial recession. Monkey banks lose bananas. No loans, no big trades. Jungle falls silent. The big idea. Recession is when the jungle slows. Bananas don't move and monkeys don't buy. But it's not forever. Monkeys bounce back. More bananas, more trade. Jungle wakes up. That's a recession. A nap for the jungle, but it always wakes up.